Hello everybody. In this lab, I'm going to perform TPMS rolling to upgrade my 12.2 database to 19C database. Six simple steps will be performed in order to use this. Don't forget, using TPMS rolling upgrade require active data guard license. Here in my lab, I'm going to perform all this steps. First, we will initiate the plan, then we will build the plan, then we will start it. Once we start it, this plan will transfer the physical standby to be logical standby. Then we will perform the upgrade in the logical standby. Then we will do a perform DBMS rolling switchover. We will do our next upgrade, finishing the plan. By finishing the plan, everything will revert from logical transit to low physical, normal physical, and we will be able to use our new homes. It's a little bit longer procedure, but it's with zero downtime. This is rolling upgrade steps. So let's see our environment now. Here I have primary database with this one. Let me close this session. So I have here the white one. It's my first primary, and this one my standby database. Let's see our standby and primary syncing using DGMGRL to see the configuration. Show configuration. Can see it's syncing status is success. ORCL my current primary and my ORCL standby my current physical database. So the steps will be performed. Should be in the maximum performance. You cannot run this in maximum protection, maximum performance, or maximum availability. A lot of theoretical behind this, very long theoretical. I do recommend you before performing this to check the prerequisite of this. If there is any parameter need to set from your database or something else to and understand the concept of this TGM, TMG, LG, LMG, these concepts, trailing and leading of this, a lot of concepts you have to understanding. If you have many, more than two member of your database as well, I do suggest that you read. Anyway, let me start the system. So in order to start this, we will start from primary here. This is DPA. Let me start here. So step one is by mentioning the future primary database. So my future primary, as per this one here, first step I have to initiate initial plan with the future primary of my current standby. This is the service name. This is the name of my future primary. It's ORCL standby. So let me do this. Oh, sorry, it should be start with execute. I didn't copy it properly. So here is it. I will execute this DBMS. So I have initiated now. Now let me build this plan. So once I build a plan, I can see the steps of my plan using the select from DBA rolling plan. This will show me the target, phase, status, description about all these steps. Or let me organize it. So here is it 86 steps. So let me set the line size to 200 and column of target, for example, A15, sorry, column format, this one, A15, sorry, column height format, A15, it's my pen. And let's re-execute the select. Again, description is too long. Column format A50, for example. So yeah, not much readable than the previous one. Yes, so now you can see what's will going on. All the steps are pending now. So once we started, this pending will be, and we can check where is the test stack and what's verify the protection mode, for example, verify database is physical, future primary is configured with standby. All this will be done. So verify everything is in a place before you start. So guarantee, restore point, all things will be performed. We may stuck in some steps, we will fix it together. So now we have performed the first and second. So we initiate the plan, we build the plan, and we may check if there is any error as well in this one. This is a long inbound connection. This old errors today. There's nothing. All right, TBMS completed, no errors, status all fine. Yes. And we reviewed the plan as well. So now let me clear this and let me start this plan. And we will see if there is any error, we will fix it. So here is it. Let me start. All right, so to see where we are stuck, we have to run again our plan and see where we are stuck here. Here I have opened another window with the same primary database. So I will select the target phase and the status and description to know where's my error. So here, this will show me where here all are success. And here verify the fast recovery area is configured where the target is my standby. So here I need to connect to the SQL and configure my fast recovery area. So in order to set up the fast recovery area, first I have to specify a size for this. For example, let me do this parameter size to 10 GB. Then I have to specify a path of this. Please make sure this path exists in your OS level. So I will create U02 Oracle FRA. So with this, I have set up my fast recovery area. Let's again rerun this and see how it's called. Let's start again and see. We may rerun this to see where we are. So now executing this one is going on. Let's see. Perfect. It has been completed successfully. Let's rerun this and see where we are reaching. Very good. So record start of user upgrade of this one. That's perfect. So let me exit from here. Or even I may keep this. What I will do now, as per the steps, after we execute this, we may go here and check our DGMGRL SSDPA and show the configuration now. So you can see now this is still a primary database and this ORCL standby become a transit logical standby. That means this will accept SQL apply now and it's marked for transit logical standby. We will perform the upgrade here I have already installed Oracle 19c only in this database. I have the file, so I'm going to run the installer in this one. App Oracle product 19.1. Here I will run the installer and just install the software. Here is it. Let's wait for its loading. So now let me set up the software only. Single price. This is the details I want to do it. Yes. Sorry, before performing this, before doing this, let's stop the database. Sorry, SQL Plus. Shut down immediate. Alright, it has been shut down. Now we will exit this. Where we are here, let me export Oracle Home equal to this new home. And let me export the path with the new Oracle Home. Now I will run the database upgrade assistance. Alright, it's my bad. I have to install software only first, then I will upgrade the instance. Database upgrade assistance. Yep. Set software only. Single node, single instance. Yep. Enterprise. This is the home. Yes. No, I will run it. Okay, I can safely ignore this. Yep. Install, please. Let's wait a while till this code completed. Here, this root script, we need to run it as a root. So let me open another session using root and run this script. Okay. Okay. This has been completed. Let's run. Click on OK. Close this. All right. Now we will run db upgrade assistant. All right. This is because me switched here to Oracle. Let me start it again. Startup. See its details again. Yes, this is still and logical. Now let me rerun this and see if it's figure out this one. No database detected this because of this one. Let me check this. BIETC or a tab, this one, yes. Here we should identify this one. Let me check the value that need to be. So initially here we should get this one. Let me take it. This one will be the previous Oracle Home. So let me check it out and just copy it here. Echo Oracle Home. This one. So our ORCL standby will be like this. The home and no. Save this. It's yep. Now it's been put it. Insist DBA. Is this and my password is this to connect to this. Let's click next. So we are expecting any kind of error during the upgrade. You have to be flexible and find a way to fix this. It's fetching the database information that it's going to upgrade it. All right, the steps they will do it, whatever is fixable or not, gathering a statistic, dictionaries, all these I can bypass this for time being because this is not a production, so there is nothing. But in production, it's advisable to do this fix and gathering a statistic before upgrade and after upgrade to make sure performance is in its optimal and typical status. So for me, I will just click next to perform it. Enable parallel, yes, recompile invalid object during post. Okay, let's do this. Upgrade time zone, yes. Before, after upgrade, I don't have any script to be run. Let's do it with this. Recovery option, I have my own. I don't want to create any extra guarantee points, so I will just assume that nothing is needed here. And I will click next. Listener, yes, use this listener. Configure, no, I don't want this to be configured. Click next. So this is source, this is how it would be doing. Yes, please proceed. See the source and target. So it's been configured. That's perfect. And then click on finish to start it. Here we go. So upgrade result successfully from this to this version has been successfully completed. Now we have to complete the post steps. Everything has been completed successfully. You can see here. What else we need to do is to make sure that the listener from old and the new one have the same value. So here I am in this 19C, and if I list the file here, I will see this. I can list same file from old Oracle protect 12 home TPS. Sorry. It's my bad. Here should be all. So you can see here parameter file should be okay. There's speech file will be created by default. There is a missing file for this one, the configurator. So what I will do, I will copy these files. R star or the R this both. I will copy it here. What else? I will copy password file already in Oracle passwords file already copied. Now I will go to list. I want to see this network admin TNS. If you can see here in TNS, there's different entry. So let me cd to the network admin. It's my new home LL. If I cat the TNS and cat the listener, there is a difference between this and this. So what I will do, let me see the listener status. We stop the listener and move the listener file back underscore listener. I'm moving TNS back TNS and copy both TNS and listener from old home, which is this one network admin. Listener, copy it here and copy TNS and listener here as well. Now let me just verify the home. Enter here. There is any home? No home. In this one, I will need it. And definitely, let me take this home copy and the listener entry. Listener, yes, here is it. Insert. So this one will be inserted here. The new home. Now I will start the listener again. All right, what else? VI etc or a tab. Yeah, it's been updated automatically. Perfect. So listener, this one DGMG. All right, okay. This hyphen EF. Pimon. Yup. So this one now, if I just select, now I can start it up and see. Oh, sorry, this is not the right home. I need to do this dash profile update as well to hit the new home. Yeah, this is the new home. Bash profile to activate the new updated one. Yep, now let me select to see the role of databases. After this, change. So this will give me, yes, so it's take the role of this. So let me revert back here. So SQL plus has been changed. DG, okay, this one, echo. This session, I need to check the Oracle home here. Perfect. So DG NGRL. Yes, show configuration. Sorry, show does not exist. Database cannot be determined. That's because this one I need to stop it and start it again to take the configuration. So shut down immediate. and we will start it up again because configuration file was not in place. Start up again. Role and other. Okay, all are fine. Let's confirm that. Yup, show configuration. Yes, now configuration has been picked up because we just copied the file and you can see this has been configured, updated, and still it's, but this is configuration, rolling database maintenance and progress. And this has been changed to be physical standby. So now what's next? What we will do is doing the switch over. We have upgraded. Now we will perform the switch over. So we will do the switch over and see if there is any issue become in the middle. We will fix it as well. So let's perform the switch over and see. Okay, logical standby redo apply was not running. Let's see, where is this step? Let's re-execute this and see where we are stuck. Yeah, you can see this being changed to physical standby. While we expected this to be as a not as a physical standby, but it should be as a logical standby. So let's confirm this was logical standby, but once we shut down and start again, it's revert to this mode. So how this become like this? Let's verify it again. Here is it logical. But in the configurator, it's showing, yeah, now it's become like this. You can see this has been updated. Let's try again just to see how it will become now. Still logical standby, apply process was not running. Let's see what's this error meaning, in which level we can solve it. So this, what's this mean? Let's retry. Show database ORCL standby and show database RCL. Database converted to transit for rolling acknowledgement test. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so this can be fixed by running, by starting the apply. Okay, so we have to start logical standby apply to fix this error. So we copy the listener, DNS names. Okay, let's try this again. So this was not running and we have started there. Let's re-execute this and see. Perfect. Seems now it's performing the switch over. So we are expecting the original primary to be a logical standby and the upgraded standby will be the primary. So all your application now should connect it to the new primary, which is already upgraded to 19. Let's see the configuration. Yeah, this is still primary and this is still. So switch over. We are expecting this on a progress. Let's execute this to see the. And now this, yes, connection being lost now here. So we are expecting something. So configuration. Yep. Now this has become ORCL as a physical standby. This is transit still. This will be changed. So this is face by face. Perfectly completed. Let's rerun this. So configuration. Perfect. So OR, this is already logical. This is physical. Let's give it a little bit time. Let's see the role here. Let's reconnect and rerun this to see the new role of this database. Now it's become a primary. And here, if we reconnect, we are expecting a role. Yes, now this become a logical standby. And here, if we exit and reconnect to this, show configuration. Yes, now ORCLTL will become a primary. This is a 19C upgraded one. Now we will perform same steps to upgrade the transit. So first we have to install the Oracle, this one, and we Oracle 19C. I already have been installed the software only. Oracle protect 19C in the home here, and then what we will do, we will run the DB upgrade assistant from this one, or just to make sure, we have to export this one as well again. Let me export this. So we will repeat the same upgrade process that we performed there. Export Oracle home equal this. Now we will export the path again. Then we will run this DB upgrade assistant in the new logical one, the old primary one. Yes, this will launch the upgrade assistance for us. Don't forget, you have to install software only in this primary before we start this. Yes, it's become the main one. It's this password. Have enter it. I will go over the steps. Same what I did in previous standby. I will do it here. I will do it here. Sorry. Let's wait. This will take a while. Let's wait for this to be completed. Here we go. So this database has been upgraded as well. What's next we will do? We will check if the database is up here or not. Grab Pimon. Yeah, it is. Here, grab TNS to see which, yes, it's running from this one. So first we have to do this vi.bash profile and update profile here. All right. So before we doing this, let's see what's the current Oracle home. Now you will run this profile again to take affected, and then we will echo yeah. Perfect. So this is the old Oracle home. Let me see to this. This is my new home. So let me go cd to DPS first. LL. So So here it's the file. Let me copy the configuration. dr star to be in the Oracle home DPS. So this will copy the dr. dr is data broker files. We will shift it there. What else? We will cd to the network. The video here we are. cd admin. And if we access the Oracle home network admin DNS, for example, access this file, you will see this DNS containing this. This is perfect. But if we access this, the listener, yes, here is the file. But if we compare this with our DNS names here, we'll see a lot of entries. That's because we need to copy this DNS over that DNS. So here we will take this to overwrite it to this one. And same thing, we will copy the listener to be in the same place here instead of the current listener, because this contain our original configuration for the data guard broker and data guard configuration as well. So what we need to take care about some parameter in the listener home. We will change it to 19C. 19C like this. And in the TNS, there is nothing need to be changed. TNS, yeah, all are without home. So now what we will do, enqueue listener stop, listener start. And better that we do this one bgmgrl to check the configuration. bgmgrl. Yes. Enable TNS lost, listener status. All right. That's because we need to stop and start the database with the new configuration of this. All right. There is something wrong here. That's because of something where we are. We are in this home. cd to the network. Oracle home. Network admin. BISQL. All right. This is fine. SQL plus again. Why this one is not work? Because of something. There is something in the DPS need to be checked. CD or where is it exactly? We will see now. DPS ll-l password and other is fine. Check connecting here. Yes, this is connecting. So that's mean Oracle home. So this is the home. Oracle home. Again, cdvi.bash profile. Everything is correct here. What's the wrong? We need to do it. Let me think what we should do for this. Let's try SQL plus again. Yeah, but it was this backslash issue only. So now let me shut down this. Or even before I shut down, I don't think. Let me check this dgmg rl again and see. Yes, show configuration. All right, this now. Yes, so you can see that before we shut down the database, the configuration file of this uh, broker is not read it correctly. So now I'm going to bonus the database. So shut down immediate. And then I will start it up this database again. After that, I'm expecting the data guard broker to connect to the configuration correctly. So let me shut down this. You can see I'm doing everything, and my primary database, which is this one, old one, as old standby, is working correctly. Now start up again, and I'm expecting everything to be corrected now. Yeah, let's wait a little bit and see how it's going to go. Yeah, this started. Mounted now. Very good. All right. Now if I go back to this and write show configuration, yeah, everything become. You can see physical standby this one, but give it just some time. This will be updated, and we can do something. This one we have to let this one start again applying services. We have to start it. Give it some time. I think we need to run this again to check the status of our and role of our databases. Let me verify this. The database role. All right. Check the status again. It's not the query I want to see. Whether yes, this is the query. I want to check my database from database. Let's see. And now it's become as a logical. So let me verify this. Okay. This will not apply because this one is already in its correct status. Now let's check show configuration again and see. Yep, now it's become as a transit logical. So what's next we have to do as a last step? We will finish the plan now. So upgrade it. Now let's finalize the plan. Here is it. This is our new databases. Now this is the primary access DBA, and we will finish the plan. Or this maybe, let me check. Yep, here. Let's see. There is a failure. Let's see what's happened. From where we will check this. We will check this using this one to see where is. Oh, let me cancel this from here. Run it in this view. Here the font will cover more, so SQL plus line size will be better here. So we can see, yes, verified database is mounted. And they are expecting that database to be mounted. Which database? ORCL. This now we will shut down immediate this database. Sorry, shut down immediate. Shut down immediate. Sorry. And we will start this database in mount stage. From where we get this? From this one. They are expecting this target to be in mount stage. So once this done, shut down, we will start it again, but in mount stage only. So even if this detail is not mentioned in the documentation, you have to follow this plan because you agree that we will follow this plan to this. This is provided from Oracle and this database. So here it's mentioned that it's expected to have this one startup is in mount stage only. So I'm starting this ORCL and mount stage. Once this becomes started, we will continue our step. Okay, here it's mounted. Let's go here again and execute the finish plan. Now it's proceeding. If you can see here. Let's execute this and see. Oh, sorry, this connection already lost, so we have to wait some time or connecting here to another session and run the query. So let me rerun the query here. Yeah, verified database is this one. It's one. Now we are in flashbacking database converted into this one again. So it will be converted back to the physical standby. Then they will verify it, save everything, save the logic minor sessions, wait until transit, start this meeting. This will take a little bit. Then they will drop everything, then restore supplementary logging. So with this, we will finish and we will do a final switch over to revert primary as a primary and the standby as a standby. Let's give this some time. We'll see where is it. It's flashback database completed or not. Where is? Okay, we are starting media recovery now. Very good. So most of the steps is performed. This is success. So this is still going on. Let's have another selection. So see, okay. Wait until this apply. I've started on the transit branch. Let's wait. Everything is success in our plan. That's very good. 86 row is performed. Let's see if something has been moved. Yup. We are here and wait until upgrade redo has been fully recovered. You can see it's slowly being changed from pending to success. So we run to see. Still, so we are here. All this in the finish phase. You can see. So once we complete the finish phase, nothing more need to be done. Only last switch over we will perform to make old primary as old primary and old standby to be old standby. Still applying of redo log. Then progress. Seems this will take a little bit time. We may try to change this to 0 to see. Instead of waiting for this, we can make it immediately. Let's see how this will work. Let's try to reconnect here and see. Oh, there's apply is going on. Let's check the status of apply services. Apply is going on. Yeah, services steer as well to apply it. Let's check further queries to see. Yup, here is it. It's completed now. Let's check the alhag. Yeah. What's happening here? Let's see. Yup, all are success. Perfect. Now, if we go here to show the configuration, still there is applying going on. Let's give it some time. Let's wait for this. So now our upgrade has been completed. We may safely now destroy the plan. Everything has been completed. Nothing is pending. No plan. If you check here, no plan is pending. Our rolling upgrade has been completed successfully. The only thing is here now, this regarding our, yep, everything referred to normal as we see. Now this is our physical and this is our primary. We will just do a last switch over. Let's connect DGMGRL. This is at ORCL. This is the password. All right. Show configuration. And we can do the switch over to ORCL. And let's see how this is going to come. If we success in this with 19C, that means our rolling upgrade has been successfully completed. You can see always there is a primary database running without interrupted. We are working with the standby to be upgraded, the logical transit one. All right, that's perfect. Show configuration. Yeah, now again, this is my primary become and my old standby become back as Oracle standby, physical standby, ORC standby, and both is running on 19C only. Let me exit from here, clear this, again, scale plus. I'm connecting to this one, EF, P1, dot bash, IL echo Oracle home, EF, grep TNS. All right, I need to change this parameter. Where is it? Is it in this one? Why it's connected to this? Listener stop, listener start. Again. Yep, now it's correctly connected. However, I need to check why this become. We forget to correct the TNS. Now, let's connect to the database and see. Assist DBA. What's that mean? Let's check the primary one. -EF grep TNS. Here is correct. Yep. We need to stop this one here and start the one with 19C only. So let me connect to that one. 12 TP home, export Oracle home. As you can see, after switch over, this one become our home. Our the one that we just upgraded from. So I'm exporting this as a my home and connecting again to shut down it. Shut down immediate. Sorry, shut down immediate. And I will start the correct home. I will see why this being by re-switching over again to make sure that's only the correct Oracle home to be updated, to be mounted. While this, let me do this DGMGRL. Show database purpose ORCL standby. There's any home here mentioned? Nothing, nothing. Yeah, but should be. Change. Oh my god, why this is connecting to 12.2 as well. That's mean we need to regenerate a configurations. But in the SQL, you can see here is it. All right, this is SQL release. It's all, but it's connected to the correct database. Why it's in the mixed mode? Select star config version. Select star. Here it's 19 correct. White, which SQL plus. You know why? Because this is using this one. What we need to do is switch to Oracle again. Now it's become correct. Now GMGRL just because of caching of profile. Yes, everything is correct now. So I'm expecting this to be correct now after I switch to the correct Oracle and startup mount. See this? So now it was my mistake was with the dot to profile only. I have corrected, and now I can see I'm connecting using SQL 19 to the 19, and my listener status is 19 here as well. So now let me clear this and connect from drdgmgrl and show the configuration. It's showing correctly here. Yeah, everything is shipped, success to the new database. With this, we have completed the DBMS rolling upgrade. You can see it's a little bit complicated. A lot of details here and there. We have to be careful while doing this. Test it carefully in your environment. Prepare all ready action in order to fix any issue come to you. Always focus on the plan. Be familiar with the upgrade itself because half of your work is will be familiar with upgrade, pre-upgrade, during the upgrade, posting the upgrade. Then your configuration will be smoothly revert back to its normal state and success state between DR and between your primary and standby. With this, I have completed my DBMS rolling upgrade lab and see you in another video.